In a cozy living room, a young girl named Lily is sitting on the couch. She looks around, feeling thirsty. She wants to ask her mom for water, but she's unsure how to phrase it politely. She thinks about what she learned in class and decides to say, "Can I have a glass of water, please?" Her eyes are wide with hope and curiosity as she waits for her mom's response. Lily's mom walks into the room and sees her holding the glass. She smiles and nods. Lily feels happy and grateful. She knows she asked politely and got what she wanted. Her mom says, "Of course, dear." Lily thanks her and takes a sip of water. Her face lights up with satisfaction. In a sunny classroom, a shy boy named Max raises his hand. He wants to ask the teacher for help but is nervous. He remembers the lesson about polite requests and says, "Can you help me with this, please?" His voice is soft but clear. The teacher looks at him with kindness and offers her assistance. Max feels relieved and excited as the teacher approaches him. She sits next to him and explains the problem in a gentle way. Max listens carefully and thanks her. He says, "Thank you, miss," and continues working with confidence. The teacher gives him a thumbs up, showing her approval. In a quiet park, a girl named Emma wants to ask a friend to play. She sees her friend Lucas sitting on a bench and wants to join him. She takes a deep breath and politely says, "Can I play with you?" Lucas looks up, surprised, then smiles and agrees. Emma's eyes sparkle with joy as they plan their game. Lucas gets up and walks with Emma to a nearby playground. They both laugh as they start playing. Emma is excited to have found a friend. She thanks Lucas for his kindness and says, "Can you help me climb this slide?" Lucas nods and helps her. Their friendship grows stronger with each shared moment. At a busy airport, a traveler named Tom is waiting for his flight. He needs to ask someone to help him with his carry-on bag. He sees a polite airline staff member nearby and says, "Can you help me with this, please?" The staff member looks at him with a smile and offers their assistance. Tom is grateful and thanks them for being helpful. The airline staff member helps Tom carry his bag. Tom is thankful and says, "Thank you so much." They walk together to the gate. Tom feels at ease and confident in his travels. He remembers to use "can" for polite requests and is proud of himself for doing it right. In a small coffee shop, a customer named Anna is looking at the menu. She wants to ask the barista if she can order a coffee. She takes a deep breath and says, "Can I order a coffee, please?" The barista smiles and takes her order. Anna is happy to have asked politely and feels respected by the staff. The barista prepares Anna's order with care and hands it to her. Anna thanks them and takes the coffee. She returns to her table and enjoys her drink. She feels proud of using polite language and confident that she can ask for things in a respectful way. The coffee shop is a welcoming place for her.